Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the ZTE Blade A32 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's start with the first way, which requires a secret code. It is much faster way than the second one I'd like to present you today via the settings. So let's open the dialer and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see in this pop-out window, at the very bottom of it actually, we've got the serial number of this device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another way, as I said, through the settings, so let's tap on them. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. And right here, let's try to localize the serial number, which is now here really. So let's tap on Model and Hardware. And as you can see on the second position, we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.